Kotoka is our next person. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we already have an Exole. Okay. Kotoka Torahime. Oops, there we go. Kotoka. She's also got a bit of a pointy face like me, so we'll keep her here. She's a blushy girl, so cute. Wait, let's give her actually. We're gonna give her eye shadow. She wears like a pink eyeshadow. We'll go with this purple one. I think it'll be cute. And her hair. Let's go. She got the straight bangs almost. I don't think there's anything else that would fit her. I think the long hair is... Yeah, I think the long hair. Gyaru. Yeah. Is Obsidia later? I'm doing everything randomized now. She's got a little bitty... Wait, you can't see her eyebrows. Ooh. Oh my god. The forehead. Yeah, random so that everybody has different neighbors. Yeah. So you can see her bitty eyebrows, and we'll give her... She's got bluish eyes, so we'll give her that. And they're like sexy. They're sexy like that. Like so. And she's got a cute little nose. Much like everybody else. And since she's a gyaru, I think we should give her... Like a sexy lips. Oops. She's... Actually, I might change the eyes a little bit. That actually fits her... Wait. This actually fits her so well. Slay! Kotoka. Toraheim. Torahime. Sure.
My favorite color.
This is good. Alright. Kotoka! I think her speech is maybe a little more polite. At least she has always been polite to me anytime I've talked to her. Her movement, I think she'd be kind of quick. Expressiveness, let's say she's pretty expressive. Sorry. Let's see. Attitude. Polite? You guys don't think so? She's always been polite to me. She's direct. Less than polite, so switch to extremely direct. Very direct. Okay, I guess because I'm her senpai, maybe. She's very direct. Okay, very direct. No, wait, I want some variety. I'm trying not to do like total extremes on all of them, you know. And we'll say she's pretty quirky. She's very quirky because we know that her room. So, Oh, this is so her! Oh my god! Social, charming, energetic. Comfortable in almost any situation. Makes new connections easily. Yeah, assertive and highly regarded. Has great faith in her own instincts and has no trouble commanding the respect of others. Ooh. The more personalities we have, you guys, the more we'll be able to have people fight. We don't want everyone to have the same personality, you know what I mean? So...